Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to talk about affixes. And our today's objective is, by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use the knowledge of root words, suffixes and affixes to determine the meaning of unfamiliar words. So to start with, we need to understand what actually a prefix, a suffix or a root word is. A prefix is a part of word and it always comes at the beginning of a word and it changes the meaning of a word. A suffix, it is a part of word, it always comes at the end of a word and it changes the meaning of the word. And a root word, it holds the most basic meaning of any word. It is what is left when you remove all prefixes and suffixes. When you remove prefix and suffix, the word remains as it is. Now here, if you look at this word able. Now, if I have to change this word by adding a prefix, what I will do, see, able. You can say, if I add this with this one, it will become disable. Or if I use un before this, it will become unable. And when you remove this and un, the root word will remain as it is. Okay, so by adding up the prefix dis or un, we have changed the meaning of the word and able is converted into an opposite word. So this is how we use prefixes or suffixes. But remember, prefix, it comes at the beginning of the word, as I've given you the example of dis and un. And a suffix, it comes at the end of the word. For example, if I say ability. Now see, able, I have used, instead of prefix, I have used the suffix, okay? Able, and able is an adjective. He is able to do this work, and ability is changed into noun. I have added up ity and it has changed the meaning of the word, okay? Now look at some more examples. Here we have the prefixes words, here we have the suffixes words. The word pre, dis, un, and re. When you add this prefix in the beginning of the word, it changes the meaning. Premix. The root word is mix. When you add pre, it becomes premix. Able. The root word is able. You add dis, it becomes disable. The word is able. You add prefix un, it becomes unable. Name. The root word is name. You add re with it, re, and it becomes rename. So this is the list. Here we have the suffixes. There are many examples of suffixes also. For example, full, ness, ly, or less. The root word is pain. You add suffix full, it becomes painful. Ill, the root word is ill. You add ness with it, it becomes illness. And you can go through this list. See, quietness, fatness, closeness, stressful, delightful, cheerful, thankful, wonderful, headless, hopeless, thankless, lifeless, shyly, sweetly, coldly, quietly, strangely. Okay, so these are all the examples of prefixes and suffixes. Here is a quick recap. Prefixes, root words, and suffixes. Okay, what are the root words? They are the main or the base words like write, act, play, tie, agree, read, joy, and view. When you add prefixes with them, means you add up words before the root word. Write, if you add re before it, it is rewrite or pre-write. React, replay, okay. Then untie, disagree, reread, okay. Enjoy, review, okay. When you add suffixes, it means you add up words at the end, okay. Like for example, able, full, meant, ed, ing, us, only s, or, ly, okay. For example, enjoy, the root word is enjoy, you add meant, it becomes enjoyment, okay. The root word is joy, you add full, it becomes joyful. The root word is add, you add ed, it becomes added, okay. So these are all the examples of prefixes and suffixes. Here is a quick recap. A prefix is a part of word. It comes at the beginning of a word, and it changes the meaning of a word. Suffix, it is a part of the root word, always comes at the end of a word, and it changes the meaning of a word. And root word is the most basic meaning of any word, and it is what is left when you remove all prefixes and suffixes. Okay, and remember, root word can make sense on its own, but a suffix and prefix cannot make sense until or unless you add it up with the main word or the base word or the root word. So this was all about the affixes, prefixes and suffixes. Hopefully you would have understood today's lesson. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day.